Installing a GE Cafe dishwasher ourselves. Stuck on the 3 black rubber trim pieces at the end of the process. When we put them on the way the instructions appear to say we should, you can see about an inch of the back rubber on the outside of the door and the nearby cabinet doors don't close. We can't figure out any other way they are supposed to go. Help.
Those are simply trim pieces. They need not be installed if your unit is fitting in tightly and there are no gaps that the strips would otherwise conceal. They serve no functional purpose at all. There is only one way they go on, so if it's not working for you, then forget about them, as I have said.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.